Hi friends! So today I'm going to show you how to apply press-on nails that will last and stay on so they're not popping off as soon as you put them on. What you're going to need is a nail file, nail clipper, optional, glue, cuticle pusher, nail buffer, and an alcohol swab. And let's start the timer. So boom. First, I'm going to start by clipping my nails. Again, this is optional, but for me, it's a personal choice. Even when I used to get acrylic nails, after maybe one refill, I was done and I needed a new set because I think nails underneath nails is not a good look. So I always I always start by cutting and then I'm going to file in a few seconds. There we go. So now we're filing our nails. I'm going to put timestamps because I'm not going to speed this video up or cut any parts out, just so you can see it literally takes 10 minutes to get like a full manicure versus going into the salon and then waiting and they tell you your appointment is at 5 o'clock and you get there at 4:55 and then they don't start you until 6. None of that. 10 minutes and you have a manicure, you're ready to go because your time is valuable. Your time is money and you should not waste it. And I think now I'm going to go in with my cuticle pusher. I like to push my cuticles back and kind of make like almost like a gap without hurting yourself, obviously. Make a bit of a gap so that the nail has a place to lay so it's not laying on top of your cuticle and looking like press-on nails, if that makes any sense. So you're going to see me do that again in real time. I'm not speeding it up, so enjoy this royalty-free music. I bet you had a good time listening to that royalty-free music because I sure did. Just kidding, I didn't have to hear it. I recorded that last mouthpiece, I recorded that last talking piece like 4 seconds ago, and then I just skipped ahead, but you listened to good music. And now I'm buffing. I want to get rid of all the shine on my nails. We want to create a bit of a rough surface so that the glue has something to stick to. I'm right-handed, so doing my right hand is really awkward. We don't know what's going on there, but you want to buff all of the nails. And then next, we're going to clean our nails off with our alcohol swab because obviously we're not going to put glue on top of dust. That would be crazy. So now I'm going to wipe off all these nails and get them I'm struggling. Why was I struggling so hard? There we go. Wow, yay. So, clean all 10 nails. And then you're going to see me jump in with the glue. And here's the glue. And you're gonna see me struggle again. Couldn't get the cap off. We don't know why. We don't know why. So I'm putting, just a drop on the actual press-on nail, and then a drop on my natural nail. We really want to seal it up. So I'm sliding the nail into that little gap that I was talking about with the cuticle pusher, pressing it down for a few seconds. Most people might hold it down for about 10 seconds. I hold it down for maybe 5. And it sticks. And if it doesn't stick, you can kind of test it out. Sometimes it'll just slide right off if it's not dried. But you hold it there, you wait. Try not to get the glue on the hand that you're working with. That's why it's important not to put too much glue, because it will leak out all on the sides and everything. Look how cute these nails are. The fact that I already have 2 nails done, and I've only said 2 things. We're almost there. We're working on the 3rd nail. It's looking real cute. Middle finger, my favorite finger to show the people. Just kidding. I'm not at all vulgar. Or am I? You'll never know. The fact that I'm sitting in my room watching my dog chew on my sheets and not doing anything about it and having a full conversation with myself while I watch myself putting on press-on nails. I love press-on nails, man. I work during the week and I have to type, and I just take these bad boys off after a couple of days. I like that I don't have to commit to the bad bee lifestyle, I don't know if I could commit to it like that. I'm not a bad bee, not full time. I can turn it on, but mostly it's off, can anyone else relate? Oh, also, if you're new here, you should totally subscribe. You'll see a lot of nail videos. You'll see a lot of my dog because she's so cute. And I'm thinking about doing vlogs because I, just like to talk. So, let me know if you'd want to see that. If not, you're going to see it anyways, maybe. But at least they'll know you didn't want to see it, Because your opinion matters. It might not matter to everyone else, but it matters to me. Okay. All right, so I'm almost done with all of the nails. It looks like I have about 4 left. I'm back. I always come back to the middle finger. I'm here at the middle finger again. My favorite. It is obviously my favorite. Cleaning it up, applying it, putting it in that gap, pressing it down. We're doing so well. And if you are following along, you're doing well. You're killing it. It looks great. One thing I did not mention before, please, before you press it down and you secure that nail down, make sure the nail is straight. I have put way too many nails on crooked, and honestly, once it's on, especially right after you put it on, it is quite difficult to get it off. Quite difficult. So you just want to make sure before you commit, it's straight. See, I probably was second guessing myself there, but I was like, no, that looks fine. And second tip, do your thumbs last. You're going to be using your thumbs, as you can see right now, the entire time. So just do your thumbs last. Help me help you. Help yourself. See, and this probably won't be an issue for you, but when I do my own nails, sometimes I'll still have the blue sticky tack under it, so that's what you see me scratching off under all the nails. I got my thumb, I'm slipping it into that gap. It's looking good. Pressing it down. Why am I aggressive? It looks aggressive. I swear I'm not pressing it down that hard. I don't really know why it looks like I am. Okay, Galia, relax. It's on now. Was I mad? Galia, are you okay? I might not be okay. And now I'm on the last thumb. Now we still have some time on the clock, but I'm going to show you the absolute pro tip if you really, really want to seal it in. You're going to see in a couple seconds. What I do is I take the glue and I actually apply 1 drop to the tip of my finger where the natural nail and the press-on nail meet. So I'm doing it now. See, right there. Put 1 drop of glue there. That way it seals it up. Water isn't going to get in as easily. You see that I skip a nail. That's because I was going to a friend's party and I created special nails for her event. So my ring finger on both hands, I didn't seal it because I wanted to be able to get it off a little bit easier. But yeah, that's it. We're done. The nails, yay! They're on and they look great. Now you know I'm extra, so I had to come with a cuticle oil so I looked moisturized and beautiful with my big nail reveal that you've already seen a couple of times. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, friends!